everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, Faculty of Management Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on functions of management. Peter F. Drucker says, management is an organ. Organs can be defined and described only through their functions. So, let's discuss the functions of management in brief. Number 1, planning. Planning is the most fundamental and the most pervasive of all the management functions. If people working in the group have to perform effectively, then they should know in advance what to be done, what activities they have to perform effectively in order to do what is to be done. It is deciding in present about the future objectives and the course of actions for their achievement. Number 2, organizing. It includes A. Identification of activities required for the achievement of objectives and implementation of the plans. B. Grouping of activities so as to create self-contained jobs. C. Assignment of jobs to employees. D. Delegation of authority. E. Establishment of network. Number 3, staffing. It is continuous and vital function of management. It includes manpower planning, recruitment, selection of the most suitable person, and induction and orientation. Number 4, directing. It is the function of leading the employees to perform effectively and contribute their optimum to the achievement of the objectives. It includes communication, motivation, and leadership. Number 5, coordination. It is the function of establishing such a relationship among various parts of the organization which includes unity of direction, unity of command, effective communication, and effective leadership. Last but not the least, 6th, controlling. It includes measurement of performance against predetermined goals, identification of deviations from those goals, and taking corrective actions to rectify the deviations. So, now I hope that you have understood the topic of functions of management. Thank you very much.